This is with doors and PAs on.
BBA with a way. I can't tell you how fun niggas pay. I can tell you how I run up that bag and I'm when they got mine, you gon' jock anyway. My been brought down the road with a phone and a chain. Free street, he coming home every day. Free go, he try to take it to jail and they sent him down so he counting his days. Free go,
let's keep walking, see how long we can hear this. Hey man, welcome back YouTube. It's your boy Vader. Full time we back video with Yukon in the back, man. As y'all can tell, I'm gonna be introducing the cheapest and quickest, easiest way I feel like it is to do a marine speaker and PA setup for, you know, squatter truck or any vehicle applications, really. So it's really simple, really easy. I'm gonna get you guys, you know, show you guys literally from the first step to the last step how I did everything, and explain the whole process, and I'll link everything in the description so you guys can do it yourself. First off though, you guys know how it is. About to hit the walk around the truck and then the cold start. So look, that's what I did in the last video. You guys see it turned out great, that color match, and also on the roof racks as well. I don't know if you guys remember seeing how different the color was before, but this is a lot better, so pretty glad that turned out good. Also, one more thing before we hit this cold start, I want to get a roof rack pad on it, but I don't know what color to get. So you guys let me know down in the comments below what color you think I should get, and also let me know down in the comments if you think I should run spacers on it. And I'm thinking about getting an 1.5 inch spacers, like wheel space. The reason I want to run the spacers is because I want to get a wider stance on the truck right now. So just let me know if you guys think I should run an 1.5 inch spacers, and if you would feel safe running them, because that's what's stopping me. I just don't think, I don't know, I just don't feel safe running spacers, you know? But yeah, let's get this cold start. Alright, so look, before we get into the PA setup though, gotta hit the local McDonald's. You already know the vibes, you know what I'm saying. Alright boys, so look, we're here. Finally left McDonald's. I'm going to show y'all the easiest, simplest, and quickest PA setup you can do. So let's get started, man. It's playing right now. Let's turn it off. So look, let me get it started, boys. It's super simple, super easy. So look, we have this 800 watt Pile Marine amp. I will put that in the link in the description as well as on screen so you guys can get that. I have it powered with a battery, straight to the battery, with an inline fuse on that main power cable, and then the ground is ran directly to the truck on a factory ground. And then for the switch, it's that blue wire, and that's what powers the amp, turning it on and off, which is what I just pressed in that first clip. That is ran through the cab to that switch. And then I'm going to explain you guys the exact setup as we go along. So you guys also had this question of how do I get audio from my phone to the amp. Now this amp has one audio input and it'll be an auxiliary input, right? So what that is like a 3.5 millimeter regular headphone cable. So what I did was I ran that through my firewall into the cab. Under my floor cover here, you see this is the input for the amp. So what I did on that, which is the input for the amp, which means that's how you're going to get your audio into the amp, into your speakers on the outside. So I ran that directly to my factory center console media controller. Now there's two ways you can do this if you do not have the media controller like I have, which is what this unit in the back is. It allows me to plug in a headphone jack and control the audio and stuff, and that's what I use for my outside audio. Now if you do not have that, you can just buy the splitter and run it like this. So right here I have two separate inputs for two separate audio systems. This one for the one we added with the PA and amp system, and this one that came in the truck like normal. So there's two options. You can either buy a splitter, which plugs these together into one, and then you plug the single headphone jack into your phone, and then boom, you have audio inside and outside. And then the way you can play it only on the inside is by using the switch. So you wanted to switch it off, play it only on the inside, boom, switch it on, play it on the inside and outside. So the way I have mine is seamless, so there's not really that splitter. So I have this Amazon Bluetooth connector for the phone, plug straight in, put her in there, and you're good to go. Then I'll plug my, like I said, the audio coming from the amp to the PAs, I'll plug that back here. Alright, so boom. Once you do this, you plug your, I plugged my audio to the truck in this Bluetooth adapter. And then the audio that I have from the PAs, I plug that cable into the media controller, like I was explaining to you guys right here. Okay, so that is what's going to give me volume to the outside, into the PAs. Alright, so boom. We have our input side figured out. So now I'm going to show you guys how I wired the speakers. So it has 4 channels on this amp, and I ran the speakers in a parallel so that I have less ohms but more power. So yeah, that's how that is set up. It's really simple and easy, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm gonna give you a quick demo really quick so that you can understand and see how I got everything ran. So look, say we're playing the song, right? You don't hear anything. I can come here and unmute it, and now you hear the inside audio only. See? That's interior speakers only. The factory speakers, okay? So, next, you just flip this switch. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off, so in the inside, right? Now I'm gonna flip the switch and you'll hear the PAs turn on. So that's only on the outside. Yes, sir. Now we're about to play it all. You get a different song going on here. This is with doors and PAs on. If you guys want me to do more speakers, set up stuff like that, wire and stuff, let me know.
Baby, we the way. I can't tell you how fun niggas pay. I can tell you how I run up that bag and I'm one that got mine. You gon' jock anywhere. My been brought down the road with a phone in a chain. Free street, you coming home every day. Free go, he try to take it to jail and they send him down so he counting his days. Free go,
let's keep walking, see how long we can hear this.
I gotta stay high, I cannot say why. Cause I might catch my case. In the back, might pull out a lace. And he gone. Don't hop in that car with your phone. Better watch what you say in the song. Speak how I feel, I ain't holding my tongue. Hold the drum, hold the time. Follow me when I perform. Bitch, they don't mean no harm. And funny rap niggas don't need no song. They up in the air, make them ring the alarm. Bitch, nigga try to reach that, I cut off your arm. They don't give you for 10 days straight. We're pouring on drain, all us sip of oil. Rap nigga, make him put up the show. We catch out, nigga, better change up the song.
Yes, sir. Hey man, say man, y'all gotta like the video for this. You already know your boy made it full time with the PA setup, man. But yeah, I will do an updated video on this PA setup because that, oh wow, I left this door open. Because this is just temporary because I wanted to test out those horns and I'm gonna get better horns, trust me. But I just wanted to test out and see how good these horns are. If you wanted to know which horns I have on the truck now, I'll put those in the description also because they're on Amazon as well. Same place I got that amp from. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys love the consistency of the videos. Y'all know I like making them like this. So with that being said, we're finna slide on out. And yeah, boys, stay tuned, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.